Winter fashion level up. Hey sisters, welcome back to my channel. It's freezing outside, like actually freezing. So you know what that means? Time to up our winter fashion game. Now that we've covered the basics, like your go-to jeans and that one cool jacket you wear everywhere, let's get into some next level winter trends. We're talking unique pieces, DIY hacks to spice up your old stuff, and how to actually stay warm without looking like a giant marshmallow. I'm not promising any of this will make you look less like a giant marshmallow, but we can try, right? Let's get cozy and dive in. Okay, so saving the planet is cool now and looking cute while doing it, even cooler. Imagine stepping out in the winter chill, wrapped in a cozy, stylish coat that not only keeps you warm, but also makes a statement about your commitment to the environment. It's like the best of both worlds. Sustainable fashion is the future, and winter is the perfect time to invest in some eco-friendly pieces. Think about it. Every time you buy a sustainable item, you're making a choice that benefits the planet. And winter fashion, it's all about layering, which means more opportunities to showcase your eco-friendly style. I'm talking coats and sweaters made from organic wool, recycled fabrics, or even vegan alternatives. These materials are not only better for the environment, but also super comfy and stylish. Organic wool, for instance, is produced without harmful chemicals, making it a healthier choice for you and the planet. Have you seen those puffer jackets made from recycled plastic bottles? So extra, but I'm kinda here for it. These jackets are not just a fashion statement, they're a testament to how innovative and creative sustainable fashion can be. Plus, they're super warm and perfect for those chilly winter days. Brands are getting so creative with sustainable styles that are actually cute. From chic trench coats to trendy oversized sweaters, there's something for everyone. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice style for sustainability. These pieces are designed to make you look good and feel good about your choices. I'm talking about pieces that are as warm as they are good for the environment. Imagine wearing a coat that not only keeps you toasty, but also has a story behind it, like being made from recycled materials or supporting fair trade practices. It's fashion with a purpose. It's a win-win situation, you know? Plus, it's a good excuse to buy more clothes, right? And let's be real, who doesn't love a good shopping spree, especially when it's for a good cause? Every purchase is a step towards a more sustainable future. I'm not being materialistic, I'm saving the planet. It's all about making conscious choices and showing that you care. And hey, if you can look fabulous while doing it, why not? It's about making sustainability a part of your everyday life. Tip thrift stores are gold mines for vintage winter coats and unique finds that are both sustainable and stylish. You never know what treasures you might uncover. From classic vintage pieces to quirky, one-of-a-kind items, thrift stores have it all. Okay, but real talk for a sec, thrift stores are like the holy grail of sustainable fashion. Not only are you giving clothes a second life, but you're also reducing waste and supporting a circular economy. It's a small step with a big impact. You can find the coolest vintage winter coats and unique pieces that no one else will have. It's like a treasure hunt every time you go. And the best part? Each piece has its own history and character, making your wardrobe truly unique. Seriously, go check out your local thrift store. You'll be amazed at what you can find. From high-end brands to hidden gems, there's something for everyone. And it's not just about clothes. You can find accessories, shoes, and even home decor. You'll be amazed at what you can find. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding experience. There's nothing quite like the thrill of finding that perfect piece at a fraction of the cost. And knowing that you're making a sustainable choice, that's the cherry on top. Plus, you'll be saving money and the planet. It's a win-win situation. You get to update your wardrobe without breaking the bank, and you're contributing to a more sustainable future. It's like the ultimate form of retail therapy. So next time you're looking to update your winter wardrobe, think sustainable. Whether it's shopping for eco-friendly pieces or hitting up your local thrift store, every little bit helps. And remember, you can save the planet and look cute doing it. Let's be real. Sometimes our bank accounts are just as dry as our winter skin. Winter can be tough on both our skin and our wallets. The cold, dry air leaves our skin feeling parched, and the holiday season often leaves our bank accounts feeling the same way. But don't worry, there are ways to stay stylish without breaking the bank. But that doesn't mean we can't have some fun with fashion. Winter fashion can be exciting and full of possibilities. Just because we're on a budget doesn't mean we have to sacrifice style. In fact, sometimes being on a budget can spark the most creative fashion ideas. DIY hacks are where it's at, people. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating something unique with your own hands. Plus, it's a great way to spend a chilly afternoon. Gather some friends, grab some old clothes, and let the creativity flow. Want to add a personal touch to your winter wardrobe without, spending $1 million? Customizing your clothes is the perfect solution. It's amazing how a few simple changes can transform an old piece into something fresh and stylish. Try turning an old sweater into stylish arm warmers. It's a quick and easy project that can add a lot of flair to your winter outfits. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose something you might have otherwise thrown away. You know those sweaters you have in the back of your closet that you never wear anymore? Yeah, those ones. They're just sitting there, taking up space. Why not give them a new life and make them into something you'll actually use? Give them a new life. Repurposing old clothes is not only budget-friendly, but it's also environmentally friendly. It reduces waste and gives you a chance to be creative. Plus, you'll end up with something that's uniquely yours. Or, take a scarf and repurpose it into a chic headband. Scarves are so versatile and can be used in so many different ways. A headband is just one of the many possibilities. You can also use scarves to add a pop of color to your outfit or even as a belt. It's so easy, even I can do it. Seriously, if I can manage to make a stylish headband out of an old scarf, anyone can. It's all about having fun and experimenting with different ideas. And trust me, I'm not exactly known for my crafting skills, but that's the beauty of DIY projects. You don't have to be an expert to create something amazing. Sometimes the imperfections are what make the piece special. But seriously, a little creativity goes a long way when it comes to winter fashion. You don't need to spend a lot of money to look good. With a bit of imagination and some basic crafting supplies, you can create a winter wardrobe that's both stylish and unique. Tip: adding patches or embroidery to your coats or hats is an easy way to refresh old favorites. It's a simple way to make your winter gear stand out. Plus, it's a fun project that you can do while watching your favorite TV show. Okay, here's another DIY hack for you. Adding patches or embroidery to your coats or hats is an easy way to refresh old favorites. You can find patches in all sorts of designs, so you're sure to find something that fits your style. And embroidery is a great way to add a personal touch. You know that denim jacket you've had for 5 years? Yeah, that one. It's probably looking a little worn out by now. But don't toss it just yet. There's still plenty of life left in it. Slap some patches on it, add some embroidery, and boom! You've got a jacket that looks brand new. It's amazing what a few small changes can do. Plus, you'll have a piece that's totally unique to you. It's like a brand new jacket. And the best part? You didn't have to spend a fortune to get it. So go ahead, get creative, and have fun with your winter fashion. Your wallet will thank you. Okay, let's get real for a sec. Winter can be brutal, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style for warmth. Winter fashion isn't just about looking cute. It's also about, not freezing your butt off. You want to be able to enjoy the season without turning into an icicle. That's where choosing the right fabric comes in. The right materials can make all the difference between a miserable winter and a cozy one. Wool and cashmere are the queens of winter fabrics. They're not just warm, they're also super stylish and versatile. They offer top-notch insulation, so you'll stay warm even when it's sub-zero temperatures outside. Plus, they're breathable, which means you won't overheat when you step indoors. Plus, they just look and feel so luxurious. Imagine wrapping yourself in a soft, warm hug every time you step out. If you're looking for something a little softer, fleece and faux fur are your best friends. They're perfect for adding a touch of comfort to your winter wardrobe. They add a cozy and chic vibe to any outfit. Whether you're heading to a casual outing or a fancy event, fleece and faux fur can elevate your look. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good faux fur moment? It's like wearing a cloud that also happens to be incredibly fashionable. But if you're actually going to be outside for more than 5 minutes, you need to make sure your outer layers are windproof and water resistant. This is crucial for staying dry and warm. There's nothing worse than being caught in a surprise snowstorm and ending up soaked to the bone. It's not just uncomfortable, it can also be dangerous. Trust me, I've been there. So invest in a good quality jacket that can withstand the elements. Your future self will thank you. Okay, so black and white are always chic, you can never go wrong with a classic monochrome look. But this season, it's all about embracing those rich earth tones. Think deep greens, burnt oranges, and cozy browns. They just scream fall and winter, you know? But don't be afraid to add a pop of color. Icy blues and soft lavenders can add a fresh and unexpected twist to your winter wardrobe. Imagine a lavender beanie with a cream-colored coat. So cute! Okay, here's a pro tip. Mixing textures within the same color family creates depth and sophistication. For example, you could pair a chunky knit sweater with a silk skirt, both in shades of beige or brown. It's a subtle way to add interest to your outfit without going overboard. Okay, let's talk shoes. Footwear can make or break your winter look. Like, you could have the cutest outfit on, but if you're wearing those old, ratty sneakers you've had since high school, it's just not going to work. Invest in a good pair of boots that are not only stylish but also practical. Look for insulated linings to keep your toes warm and non-slip soles to prevent any embarrassing ice skating incidents. Knee-high boots are always a good choice. They look super chic with skirts and dresses, but you can also dress them down with jeans. And for a little extra something, let some cozy wool socks peek out the top. It's all about the details, people. Okay, so you know how I said less is more? Well, that applies to your wardrobe too. Building a capsule wardrobe is a game changer, especially in the winter when you have so many layers to deal with. Choose versatile pieces that you can mix and match to create endless outfit combinations. A neutral coat, a black turtleneck, a pair of classic jeans, and one statement accessory are all you really need. Having a capsule wardrobe saves you time, money, and closet space. Plus, it makes getting dressed in the morning so much easier. Like, you don't have to stand there for an hour trying to figure out what to wear. You just grab a few key pieces and you're good to go. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned some helpful tips for upping your winter fashion game. Remember, style is all about expressing yourself and having fun with it, and also staying warm because, no one wants to be freezing their butt off in the name of fashion. Which trend are you most excited to try this season? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Stay cozy, stay stylish, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for joining me on this winter fashion journey. Remember, style is all about expressing yourself, while staying warm, of course. Which trend are you excited to try this season? Share your thoughts in the comments. Stay cozy, stay stylish, and I'll see you next time.